The Naviate command Multilabel can place a label group on a set of parallel pipes. The command starts by importing labels from the Naviate support folder for NVPipeMultiLabel. The label group consists of a parent label where the child labels will be placed in order on the pipes. 01A on the first pipe, 02A on the second pipe, etc. The B labels are flipped variants. There are multiple ways to place the label group. With fence, a fence line is drawn across the pipes to be labeled, and then the label is placed. UCS is temporarily changed to assist with the placement. The label can be moved by clicking again. Press Enter to accept the placement. Multiple label groups can be placed in the same command sequence. Use Enter to end the command. To repeat the command, press Enter again. With the Select option, the pipes that are to be included in the label are selected from the bottom up, and then a line is drawn where the label will attach to the pipes, and then the label is placed. The Structure option can place a label on all pipes connected to a structure with one click. In this case, the child label named 01 will be placed on outgoing pipes and 02 on incoming pipes. The label placement can be changed after it has been created. Tick Set Group Display Mode equals 0 to see the appropriate grip to move the label placement. To select one individual label in the group, tick Set Pick Style equals 0. This is useful to change one label to a flipped variant. Tick Explode Label to have the label be exploded to text objects upon placement. Note that this means the label will not update if the dimension of the pipe changes. If the pipe has been moved, then use Update to update the label group placement.